delivers it either over the top of it to form a formation, or the calcite will form a formation solely of its own. Then go ahead and take a gander at that brownish rock over there as well. The same brown rock you guys were walking up, it's on the side of the hill. That rock is called schist, okay? And that is another big part of what it took our cave to. It gets
This
like,
feels like about the most you recall.
yeah, so they actually cap us at 35. Yeah. First score that went out today was 33. Yeah, at that point it gets way less educational, and it's just all Alright, then same wall, over to the right, you can see another gorgeous example of flowstone. You see this flowstone though is very sparkly, and that is because calcite at its purest form is a crystalline mineral. It makes beautiful, beautiful crystals. When you see it like over here on this wall where it's more dingy, that is because there's also iron present in this marble in the mountains. So when the water runs through and gets a hold of one of those iron veins, it'll push iron out with the calcite as well, and it'll mix. And of course, when iron sits in air for too long, it oxidizes. So it gives it that kind of orangish fleshy color. Here we have an example of brimstone dams. So usually when we enter this room, still alive as well. They got pretty nice bark on them. The tree is on the back side of the mountain somewhere. We don't know. We couldn't, I'm sure, pinpoint which one it is exactly, but we can tell by the root systems that we see out front, and that is the predominant tree right through here. It says bay trees. They love it.
천천히. 이렇게 물이 흐르고 있습니다, 바닥에. 여러분, 여기가 바로 골드러시의 정신이 묻어있는 시에라 네바다 산맥의 계곡입니다. 킹스캐년 중간에 있는 계곡입니다.